Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Aditya Birla Vani Bharti, I take this opportunity and extend a warm welcome to our guest of honor, Mr. Vivek Singh, Vice President of Jayashree Textiles, and Honorable Principal Sir, benevolent teachers, and dear students, it is an absolute honor for me to welcome you all to the 75th Independence Day celebration. For every Indian born before 1947, it was a Herculean task to fight against the British. Those difficult times and sacrifices made by great martyrs must not be allowed to fade away from our memory. Hence, on every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but also admire our fortune that we have been born in the land of independent India. We will begin the day with the flag hoisting ceremony. Our tricolor, as you all know, can stand out in any crowd. Its three colors represent different aspects. Saffron signifies courage, valor, and sacrifices. White signifies truth, peace, and purity. Green signifies faith, fertility, and chivalry. In the center, the Ashok Chakra with 24 spokes inspire us to move ahead on the path of righteousness. So, now I would like to request our guest of honor, Mr. Vivek Singh, to hoist the ceremonial national flag and let us all soak in the patriotic fervor. It is an absolute honor for me to request each one of you to join the national anthem.
Everyone should stand in attention.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे The feeling of nationalism and brotherhood that a fluttering flag can whip up is unparalleled.
Once, Sarojini Naidu had said, "A country's greatness lies in its undying ideals of love and sacrifices that inspired the mothers of the race." So, on this auspicious day, let us acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India. So, with the freedom in the mind, faith in the words, and pride in our souls, let us salute our nation, our beloved motherland. Jai Hind and happy Independence Day to you all.